two. My tool belt slash tool vest. Have my rear pockets here, designed up front. In the rear, I have my tail pockets, designed for tools also. Foldable tail here that lets out. Designed for both sides here. Put screws, nails and stuff in these pockets while you're using your portable drills and your hammer. You can just reach back and grab your screws right out the pouch here at the bottom. Got the small hand working tools up front. It's a good craft, arts and craft or craftsman type of pouch I designed here. Diversity 2. This is what it looks like transformed into the vest simply by pulling some Velcro loose, letting it down, and connecting the neck strap. You have the tool vest that's transformable into a tool pouch. Doesn't have a back to it. It doesn't have one strap in the center that connects with one click and one strap at the top that connects with one click. You see there's no back to it. Got the other pair here at this corner, or the other leg rather. Okay, we've got our fold there, and I already did this one. Let's go one more time. So we're going to take and put some small stitches there, and not too tight, just to see how that's going to. Okay, let's attempt to get some of this stuff lined up and out the way. So we can put this one here. I'm going to sew it too tight because I need to pop it. We're going to take and get this curve here. Knock this out. Try the other leg. Knock this one out. Let's get the corner here. This one out here. Okay, this is the shape that we came up with so far. The back of the pants. Let's see what we have here. This is the front leg. We cut off the back leg completely. Just took and folded it, the edges, and sewed it to this shape. And we made a mark here and put steam on it, and it made a circle. Same thing with the front here. And we just folded and sewed it into place. And here we have the back pocket. Some close up here. Had the back pocket where we fold it. Just kind of folded it in on both sides. Have that shape. Now we're going to take and fold this, and like that. And the same thing with this section here. We're going to take and fold it. I'm going to take this sewing machine and sew that into place. Going to make that square with a straight line here. So we're going to fold and sew, fold and sew. That's the shape we're going to come up with. Back it up. It's going to look just like that. Same thing with the other side. Just going to finish sewing this across. So that's the shape. I'm going to come over. Let me back off the camera. And there you have it. So both pants legs should be identical once you're done. That's how it should to look. Put them both with the same length, so just take and match it up. And that's what you should have. It's going to be folded, so make sure that's straight across. And right along, diversity 2, this is the blue jean 2 belt / 2 vest combination, or the blue jean 2 belt, the transformable blue jean 2 belt and 2 vest combination. Moving right along. We'll take our pocket and fold them across. These squares are cut out 11 inches wide and 8 inches long for the bottom half anyway. Take and steam this down. Just to put tools in. Okay, I have one of my pants, one of my tool belt legs, and the pocket's just going to set down at the bottom here, right on top. We have that press. This is just going to fold over, and this is how it's going to be sewn on. And take and fold in. It's going to sew it along here and close the bottom end. So that's on the thumb machine. So here, so on the bottom, and I may put a may sew a stitch down the middle, so it can hold tools without falling out. That's the bottom half. And I pull it up higher, right where the armpit's going to go when it turns into a vest. I'm going to add another pocket. This time we're going to take and fold both ends. I'm going to take this end and fold. Steam it down on the other end. I'm going to flip it over. Same thing with this side. And the other side. We'll take cut enough. It's going to be folded over the same way. I'm about to stretch this somehow. Hopefully it'll be okay. I think we can get away with that. To make sure. That's going to be sewn at the top of this tool belt vest combination. So small at the top and the large pocket at the bottom. For both sides, that's going to take care of that. So I'll just finish steaming these, iron, and move on. Okay, we have the pockets assembled and sewn on here. One at the bottom here. Let me put this on camera. One at the bottom here, one right center, pretty much, or at the top, close. Just a little slanted, but it's not going to matter. It's just a two caddy vest. So anyway, we got both sides assembled. Pockets on each of the leg section. We got these two pockets up here. We got a Velcro piece right center here to hold that in place. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to attach Velcro to the back at the top of this leg on each side. We're going to attach Velcro the two sides here at the bottom, and on the inside right about here. So when this has been worn as a tool belt, it will be folded like that, and it will stay in place. but if we want it the vest, it will just lay out like this. So what we're going to do now, we're going to attach them, the Velcro with the sewing machine, and those 4 corners. So I just need to cut some pieces out here. Pretty much the same size for the male and female section here. Let's cut that about the same. When I'm going to use it for a tour vest, it's going to Velcro and let it hang like that. Okay, going right along. So now, also I'm going to attach, but I'm using this as a tool pouch or tool belt. You're going to need something to hold it around my waist. So here I salvaged a strap off of a backpack. So I'm going to use both of these snaps here. It's been salvaged. It snaps inside and holds. What we're going to do is just cut the strap. I don't need that much. It's going to go on this over here. Let's see here. It's going to go in the corner also. It's going to hold this from the rear. I'm just going to cut this in half. Just like that. So one end is going to be sewn to this side and the other end to this side. Just like that. So I'm not going to need that much. I'm going to cut some off here. And cut some off here. If I need to adjust anymore, I have this here to pull it in. So I'll take care of that. So just snaps it loose. That's going to give me my waistband to hold my tool belt together. So let's connect all those pieces, all the Velcro, get the belt on, and we'll be ready to display this, and this project will be finished. Not too bad. Diversity 2. Introducing the tool belt tool vest combination designed by Diversity 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.